Valiant 1942. Let me know if you have any other requests. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I hit the like and subscribe button once you're coming in with the Vassal vibe. You know, energy of Vassal. Different. Grab a juice, grab a spliff. You know what I'm saying? Request a song. Anything I want to see? Cause otherwise, I'm about to jump in this Valiant 1942. You know what I'm saying? The song I'm sure I didn't react to it. I don't know how I didn't react to it yet, but you know, when I check it out, what's next on the list? You know what I'm saying? They are vibe and are easy. Definitely. Walker Than had a lot of potential. That's facts. From the songs that I heard, I only heard what 2 songs from him now. You know what I'm saying? The man had a lot of potential. You know, it's kind of sad. I should have, you know, jumped on known his music a lot earlier before he died. You see me? Would have been dope. You know what I'm saying? But you know, so I got just learn about him now. You know what I'm saying? Checking on his song and shit. Y'all want to hear Alkaline? Yeah, man. We can listen to Alkaline. What song y'all want to hear? You know what I'm saying? Which song y'all want me to react to? Right now, we're going to check out Valiant 1942. And from the name of this song that I can, you know, I guess into some drinking thing. You know what I'm saying? Probably in for some girl thing, drinking, junking, some party, something. 1940, because I don't know, 1942 liquor, that's what I'm saying there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, because him girl born in 1942. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. 1940, I know him born in 1942. So this is most around the liquor, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to check it out and see what go on. Drop a request, and the next song after this will be whatever the request is. You want Alkaline? If you have anything specific, let me know or decide by the time I'm done. Who has a song with Prince Swanee? Wakodan or yeah, man, want to listen to Alkaline? Let me know which Alkaline you want to listen to. But yeah, who has a song with Prince Swanee? Valiant or Wakodan? I'm talking to Daniel. Who has a song with Prince Swanee? And Lord of what is Lord of Strangeburg. Yeah, you know I laugh. Yeah, what Alkaline song you want here? Let me know. But anyway, I'm gonna jump into this Valiant 1942. Right now we live, guys. You know what I'm saying? If you're watching the what would I call this? If you're watching the upload or the rerun and the video of this right now, we live, you know, we chilling, we vibing. You know what I'm saying? Now we're listening to some reaction. Right now we're gonna jump in a Valiant 1942. Let's get it. Oh, Wako has a song with Prince Swanee. Alright, that's dope. We're gonna check out that. Sing You got me good, huh?
I might time now.
Rose and skirt, go on. Good problem for you.
Two girls in my bed and they don't give me haters. The head makes up what the price is for the drugs I can take off. Tell me where they in the tie. Sexual weapons so got bars. Keep back on my dress and relax. 19.
What go on?
The two by the rocks.
Yeah, man. Me know, man. Liquor, man. Liquor, we do that, man. Yeah, you see me? 1942 Panny Rocks. Hey,
pretty girl with the deep toes. Nah, make feel me cocky bruise up. My body Chanel with the tood up. How we a fuck with all love when I for boot up.
Yeah, with the deep what? Me nah make. Hey, wanna.
She freaky, I fuck her, she will swallow your cocky. She have a deep throat, better bitch. Can I come on your face? Can I come on your face?
You don't know the song, yeah? You know if you do with the song go to your playlist, yeah, man. You like have to go with the girl in playlist, yeah? No joke, that was that bad.
girl in my bed and never give me it up. The head makes up what the price say for the
Yeah, man. Yeah.
guys have to take off. Tell me where they in at the time.
Yeah? Them thing that going?
Says you ever so got bars.
I'm gonna see.
Keep back, I'm in just a lot. 1942 by the rocks. She's my freak, that's my baby.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
One of my favorite.
Yeah, man. That's my baby. One of my favorite. Yeah, man. What you say? Stand up, you like the one here? Yeah, you say you like the one here?
I wish one I would fuck my better door. I know I will suck my cocky with a better blow. I'ma never know. Feeling start catch and it's just a show. Two girls in my bed and never give me that.
I mean, mama. I mean, mama. When she was easy, no?
The head makes up what the bar says for the drive I will take off. Tell me where they in at the time. Says whoever's
Hey.
keep back, I'm in just a lot. 1942 by the rocks.
Hey, it's a vibe, man. Yeah, man. You don't know the song I have to go on the playlist, man.
She's my freak, that's my baby. One of my favorite.
Definitely one of my favorite, man. Hello, girl, do the things, you know what I'm saying?
Wish one I would fuck my better door. I'm in a door. I wish one I would fuck my better door.
Yeah, man. Two of them, one time.
The head likes to wet the pass, take
Can't play with them girl in a youth.
drive, relax, 1942 by the ride. She's my free, that's my baby.
Broke them girl in half. Out. Hey.
One of my favorite, my baby.
I say, oh, listen to Skilly. Alright, this man. Hold on.
Hey, baby, deep truth, baby.
It's bad.
Driving me crazy.
Yeah, man, this definitely a girl tune. You see me? This is definitely go on the girl playlist. I don't know. You see me? It's a vibe. You see me? A playlist, you know. Things are going on.
My body.
Yeah, man, definitely this have a good up of go on the playlist. You see me? You know, and I be a girl. You see me? A vibe and a chill. You see me? You know, you see me? That a girl, or you know. Be where I link or two be where I link, you know what I'm saying? And chill on a vibe on a month, couple of drinks on weekend, you can put on this and thing, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. This is so, this is about it. When you feel like having a good night, one of them night, that wild night. Yeah, man. This is a vibe. Yeah, man. That's Valiant 1942. I like the energy part of one. And the video mad, you know what I'm saying? The girl in my going. Girl in my play. Yeah, man. Right now, guys, if you can't tell me kind of my vibe right now, I'm just chilling. You see me, you know, too hyper right now, just vibing right now. You know what I'm saying? But I say you want to listen to you, I say you want to hear some Skilly.